Welcome to the Muluka Academy. Myself Anil Kumar Skija. So today I will take the class 10th. Topic is arithmetic progression. So this is class 10th and topic is arithmetic progression. So we have done almost this topic, but still we are left with some questions which we have to do from the exercise. So first question is, we are given that in a certain AP 24 term is twice the 10th term. So we are given in an AP 24 term is twice the 10th term, and what we have to prove? We have to prove 72nd term is to prove 72nd term is twice 24th term. So this we have to prove here. So what we are given and what we have to prove, we will make both things possible. So first we are given this. So solution will be, so what we are given 24 term is equal to twice the 10th term. So what is the 24th term? We know that when we are to write any term, what we will do? We will add a to the and n minus 1 into d. So a plus n minus 1 into d, this will be a plus 24 minus 1 is 23d is equal to 2 into a plus 9d. So we will solve this. A plus 23d is equal to 2a plus 18d. So this will be, take this to this side, a minus 5d equal to 0. It means this is your a minus 5d is equal to 0, or we can say a is equal to 5d. So this we have find. Now what we want to prove? We want to prove that 72nd term. To prove 72nd term will be a plus 71d, which is equal to twice into 34th term, a plus 33d. So what we can write? A plus 71d is equal to 2a plus 66d. So you can write, put a for 5d. So put a is equal to 5d, we get. So this is 5d plus 71d is equal to 2 into 5d plus 66d. So if we add these two, you will get 76d here is equal to 76g. So both are equal. LHS is equal to RHS. So hence proved. So this is the proof for what we want to do. So this proof is there. Now the next question is, if m plus 1th term of an AP is twice the n plus 1th term, we are given. This is the first question. Second is, m plus 1th term is equal to twice n plus 1th term. So this is given to us. What we have to prove here? 3m plus 1th term is to prove 3m plus 1th term is twice the m plus n plus 1th term. M plus n plus 1th term. So this we have to show. So first we take what we are given. Solution is, we are given with Tm plus 1 is given by a plus m into d is equal to twice a plus n d. So a plus md is equal to 2a plus 2nd, or we can say 0 is equal to a plus 2n minus m into d. Okay. Now what we have to prove? Now we write for that what we have to prove. 3m plus 1th term will be equal to a plus 3m plus 1 minus 1, that will cancel out. We are left with 3m into d is equal to twice into m plus n plus 1th term, that is a plus m plus n into d. Plus 1 will go. So this will be a plus 3md is equal to 2a plus 2m plus 2n into d. Now take this to the other side, this will become 0. A plus this will be 2n will remain as such, 2m minus 3m will be minus m into d. So these two are the same, which is given, so it means hence proved. This is what we want to prove here. The next part is, if the nth term of both the series is same, so two series are given, their nth term is same, we want to find the value of n. The series is 9, 7, 5, 15, 12, 9. Nth term of two series 9, 7, 5 and 15, 12. 15, 12 is there. 15, 12, 9 are same. What we want to find n. So these are the two series and nth term is same. So what we will do, for example, this is the first series, this is second series, Tn1 is equal to Tn2. This we are given, and n is same in both the cases. For the first series, what will be the Tn? This will be a plus n minus 1 into d, a1, d1, a2 plus n minus 1 into d2. So here only n is same, first term is different and common difference is different. So what is the first term? First take the first series. What is a1? This is 9, n minus 1 into what is d1? Difference of these two, that is 7 minus 9, which is minus 2, which is equal to what is a2? 15 plus n minus 1 into what is d2? 12 minus 15, which is minus 3. Now this will be 9 minus 2n plus 2, 15 minus 3n plus 3. So this will be your 15 minus 9. Okay, we take this to 11 minus 2n is equal to 18 minus 3n. Okay, so this will be 3n, this will come and become positive, minus 2n, 18 minus 11. So this will be n is equal to 7. Value of n will be 7 here. Okay, then we move to the next part, but before that I will rub this part. Then next is the sum of three numbers of an AP is 21. Sum of three numbers in AP is 21. So we assume let the numbers be, we know that let numbers be a minus d, a plus d, and sum will be equal to a minus d plus a plus d is equal to 21. This cancels out, 3a is equal to 21, a is equal to 7. So what other is given to us? We are given one more condition in this. So what is that? Let's check. Product of first and third exceeds the second term by 2. Product of first and third. So this is the product of first and third, that is a minus d, a plus d exceeds the second term by 2. So product exceeds second term by 2. So this will be the next equation. So this will be a square minus d square is equal to a plus 6. Put the value of a. What is a here? 7. So this will be 7 square minus d square is equal to 7 6 13. So this will be 49 minus 13 is equal to d square is equal to 36, d is equal to plus minus 6. So now we can use the find the answer. For a is equal to 7 and d is equal to 6, it will be 1 7 13. And when a is equal to 7, d is equal to minus 6, it will be 13 7 1. These will be the numbers. Then next is the angles of a quadrilateral. Angles of a quadrilateral are in AP whose common difference is 10. Find the angles. So we are given next question. Angles of a quadrilateral are in AP whose common difference is 10 degree, and find all angles. So let us assume this is an quadrilateral. We have got 4 angles A, B, C, D. Now you want to suppose 4 numbers in AP. So what are the 4 numbers? We can assume that this is your A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D and A plus 3D. So these will be the 4 angles. As we assume 4 numbers in your quadrilateral, the same we have assumed 4 angles in quadrilateral which are in AP. Now we know that the sum किसके बराबर होता है इसका 360 के. So it means क्या हो गया A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D is equal to 360 degree. So these two cancels out, this is cancels out. 4A is equal to 360 डिग्री. A की वैल्यू कितनी आ गई 90 डिग्री. लेकिन हमें एंगल निकालने हैं. फर्स्ट एंगल क्या आ जाएगा 90 माइनस 3 इंटू 10 डिग्री विच इज़ 60 डिग्री. सो ये तो हमारा आ गया एंगल A. एंगल B क्या आएगा 90 माइनस 10 डिग्री. ये कितना हो गया 80. एंगल C 90 डिग्री प्लस 10 डिग्री, ये हो गया हमारा 100. एंड D एंगल होगा 90 डिग्री प्लस 30 डिग्री which is 120 degree. So these will be the 4 angles of quadrilateral which are in AP. Then next is find 4 numbers in AP whose sum is 50 and the greatest number is 4 times the least. Again question on 4 numbers. Sum is equal to 50 and greatest number is equal to 4 times least number. So this we are given sum of 4 numbers in AP. So let the 4 numbers in AP be, let 4 numbers in AP. Again we take same A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. So same उसी तरह से हमने इसमें assume करना जैसे पहले किया था. अब इसमें हमें sum क्या दिया है, sum is given as 50. So sum will be equal to 50. So which is a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d is equal to 50. These two cancels out, this cancels out. 4a is equal to 50 and a is equal to 50 by 4, or we can say this is 25 by 2. Value of a is 25 by 2, but this is not our number. Our number is either a minus 3d, a plus 3d, a minus d, or a plus d. Now one more condition is given. Greatest number is 4 times the least number. So what is the greatest number here? Greatest number is obviously a plus 3d. So a plus 3d is equal to 4 times a minus 3d. So this is given to us. So this will be a plus 3d is equal to 4a minus 12d. So this will be 15d हो जाएगा इधर, ये 3a रह जाएगा और a is equal to क्या आ जाएगा 5d. a की वैल्यू कितनी किसके बराबर आ गई? 5d के बराबर आ गई. ओके. Now what will be a? d will be equal to 5 by a by 5, which is 25 by 2 into 5. So this will be equal to 5 by 2. Value of d is 5 by 2. Now we can write the numbers. What are the numbers? Numbers will be 25 by 2 minus 3 into 5 by 2. ये हो गया a minus 3d. Then second number 25 by 2 minus 5 by 2, a minus d. Now a plus d, 25 by 2 plus 5 by 2, 25 by 2 plus 3 into 5 by 2. So this will be 25 minus 15, 10 by 2 आ जाएगा. यहाँ पे 20 by 2, ये हमारा आ जाएगा 30 by 2 और ये आ जाएगा 40 by 2. Numbers will be 5, 10, 15, 20. These will be the numbers, and we can check that these are in AP. And secondly, the largest number is 20 and the smallest number is 5, which is 4 times the smallest number. So then we will move to the next part, but before that I will clean the board. And the next question is, find the sum of n terms of an AP whose nth term is given by an is equal to find Sn whose Tn is equal to Tn is given by 5 minus 6n. So very easy. What we have to do? First we will find A. So what will be A here? A can be find just putting n is equal to 1 in Tn. So put n is equal to 1, we get T1 which is equal to A 5 minus 6 into 1, 5 minus 6 which is minus 1. Then what will be the D? As I have told you that you can find D by taking T2 First put t2 this tn, find the value, then subtract t2 minus t1. Or we can directly write from the expression the coefficient of n is always d. So d will be equal to coefficient of n is minus 6. So this will be minus 6. You can check it when you put d and here 2. So this will be 5 minus 12 minus 7. So minus 7 plus 1 will be minus 6. So d is minus 6. Now we want to find Sn. Sn is n by 2, 2a, n minus 1 into d. So this will be Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a, 2 into minus 1 plus n minus 1 into d. d is minus 6. We solve it. Sn is equal to n by 2. This will be minus 2 minus 6n plus 6. So this will be your n by 2, 4 minus 6n. So divide this by 2 here. This will be n into 2 minus 3n. So this will be your Sn. So ये हमारा Sn होगा. Then next question is, how many terms are there in an AP whose first and fifth term are minus 14 and 2 respectively, and sum of terms is 40. So what is given in this question? So we check this. We are given here that question is, how many terms are there in AP whose first term is a is equal to minus 14, fifth term is a5 is 2 and Sn is 40. फाइंड हमें क्या करना है, यहाँ पे n फाइंड करना है. सो एक AP है जिसमें फर्स्ट टर्म दी गई हमें, फर्स्ट टर्म इज minus 14, फिफ्थ टर्म इज 2 और नंबर ऑफ Sn sum of number of terms, n number of terms is 40. So what we will do, what is a5? a5 is always a plus 4d. It may be also be t5. It is the same thing. Now a5 is given as 2 is equal to a is given as minus 14 plus 4d. So this is 16 is equal to 4d. d is equal to 16 by 4. So this is 2. This is 4. d value of d is 4. a is minus 14, d is 4. Now we want to find Sn is equal to, we are given Sn is equal to 40. What will be Sn? n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is given as 40, n by 2, 2a, 2 into a is minus 14 plus n minus 1 into d is 4 is equal to 40. So n, this is minus 28 plus 4n minus 4 is equal to 80. Multiply it by 2. So now you will get n 4n minus 32 is equal to 80. Divide by 4. You will get, divide by 4, we get n minus 8 is equal to 20. We divided both sides by 4. Now what is there? This is n square minus 8n minus 20 is equal to 0. Now we know that 10 into 2 is 20. So we divide this minus 8 into minus 10 plus 2, which is also product is 20n square minus 10n plus 2n minus 20 is equal to 0. Take n common from here, n minus 10 plus 2, n minus 10 is equal to 0. So n minus 10, n plus 2 is equal to 0. So n is equal to 10 or n is equal to minus 2. So negative value is rejected. So number of terms cannot be negative, cannot be negative. So value of n is 10. So there are 10 terms in this series. The next is third term of an AP is 7 and seventh term exceeds 3 times the third term by 2. So we are given in this question is, okay, we must erase. The next question is given as third term of an AP is 7. So T3 is 7. Then next is given seventh term exceeds 3 times the third term. Seventh term exceeds 3 times the third term by 2. So this is given. Find what we have to find here. First term, common difference, and sum of first 20 terms, and sum of first 20 terms. So we start by what we are given to us. We are given T3 is equal to 7. T3 is A plus 2D is equal to 7. First is given this. Then second equation is T7. A plus 6D is equal to 3 into T3, that is 3 into 7 plus 2. Put the value of T3 here. So you will get A plus 6D is equal to 23. So this is first equation, this is second equation. Solve these two equations. A plus 6D is equal to 23, A plus 2D is equal to 7. So subtract them, this will cancel out. 4D is equal to 16, D is 4. So we have find common difference is equal to 4. This we have find. Now we will find the first term by putting value of D in any of the two equations. So put value of D is equal to 4 in equation first. So you will get A plus 2 into 4 is equal to 7. So A plus 8 is equal to 7. A is equal to 7 minus 8, A is equal to minus 1. So we will get value of A as minus 1. This is minus 1. First term is minus 1, common difference is 4. Now we have to find the third part, sum of first 20 terms. So this we can find S20. So for that we write Sn, n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D is equal. So S20, n, for n we write 20, 20 upon 2. Find, put the value of A and D. 2 into what is the value of A? Minus 1. Then n minus 1, that is 20 minus 1. What is D here? D is 4. So this cancels out with 10. So this is 10 into 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 plus 19 into 4. So this will be 10 minus 2 plus 76. So this is 10 into 74. So this will become 740. So sum of 20 terms is equal to 720. So we can see that we have obtained all the 4 terms. That is, first term is minus 1, which we have find here. Then common difference is 4, which we have obtained here. Then what we want to find, sum of first 20 terms, which is equal to 740, which we have find here. Okay. So now we have find all these questions. So we will proceed with the same in the next lecture. So these are the some of the questions which are unsolved in your exercises, so which are little tricky also. So just go through all these questions, learn these well, so that you can you should not make any mistake in doing the work. So thank you listening for this lecture. Thank you very much. Okay.